The hidden world of microplastics. Are we unknowingly eating plastic? Today, let's dive into how these tiny particles sneak into our food chain, where they come from, and what they mean for our health and the environment. From the ocean to our dinner tables, microplastics are everywhere. Did you know microplastics come from things like plastic waste breaking down, microbeads in personal care products, and even synthetic fibers from our clothes? These tiny invaders travel through waterways, eventually reaching the ocean, where marine life consumes them. And guess what? When fish and other seafood eat these microplastics, they end up on our plates too. Studies show that microplastics can cause physical harm to marine animals, like blockages and injuries, and they might even carry toxic chemicals. For us humans, eating microplastics could mean health risks like inflammation, endocrine disruption, and even cancer. But don't lose hope. Did you know microplastics have also been found in soil, affecting our crops, and can even be airborne, posing risks to our lungs? Scientists are on the case, working hard to understand these impacts and find solutions. Public awareness and action are key. So what can we do? Join us as we uncover the truth behind this invisible threat and explore ways to fight back. Can you reduce your plastic use, support cleanup efforts, and push for stronger regulations on plastic production and waste management? Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet for future generations. Start today by cutting down on plastic and supporting environmental initiatives. Every small action counts.